Paya Lebar Methodist Girls School Paper 2 Question 10 2025 Prelim. So thick. Alright, okay, come, let's go, people. So first thing first is they say that Winnie and Sophie paid a total of 3620. So this is your total, right now, guys?
Yes.
So we say that Winnie paid more. So this person, now draw model. So we have Winnie and Sophie. If Winnie paid more than Sophie, means who is more, Winnie or Sophie? Winnie. So my model must be what, longer or shorter? Longer, and Sophie will be shorter by how much?
1,960.
Yes, and the total is how much?
3620.
So here will be 1 unit, 1 unit. So I can find 2 units, right? 2 units will be 3620 minus 1960, which is how much?
166.
Yeah, 1660.
And 1 unit?
1 unit is 1660 divided by 2.
Which is?
830.
Okay, this one everybody all know. Pretty simple. So this 1 unit is referring to who? So if I were you guys, I write down Sophie. So I remember. But in the question asked for Sophie.
No, they asked for Winnie.
They asked for Winnie, right? So that means that how do I find Winnie?
You need to add 1960.
And how much do you get?
2790.
Okay, so right now, question number B, this is when it's difficult. So everybody pay attention. Later then you can copy. So right now, they say Winnie and Sophie are paid based on the number of days they worked, right? So can you see that over here, guys, whatever chunky chunk of information that we found here, these are all the total value, correct now? And can you see that they say number of days? Isn't that the N? So when I see number of days, and I see total value, immediately I must ask myself whether there is each value, whether there is or not, have or not?
Yes.
Where?
Winnie was paid $5 more than Sophie per day.
Yeah, so this is the each value. Means I know very high chance this is what kind of question. Grouping concept means I can use the N times E equal to the total value, right? So I can start drawing my table already. So I have Winnie
And Sophie.
Sophie. Then I have the NET. I have the number of
Each value
each value,
and
total value. So you all know that N times E is equal to T, correct or not?
Yes.
That's what we went through in the grouping concept. So right now, let's look at this first statement first. Later then copy, guys. Pay attention. Understand the concept first. What color shall we do? It's National Day. Red. Oh, but I cannot use white. There's no white highlighter. Okay. Just do it. So you can see Winnie worked 3 times as many days as Sophie. What is that referring to? N, E, or T?
N.
So what does that mean? I know that Winnie, what about Winnie?
Winnie has 3 units.
3 units. And Sophie?
1
1 unit. Correct or not, guys?
Yeah.
Then next, they say that Winnie paid $5 more than Sophie per day. But do I know how much Winnie is paid per day? No, because the information I find here, is it for per day?
It's for the total.
It's for the total. So if I do not know, what does that mean about Winnie and Sophie?
Winnie is 1 unit plus 5.
So this is when you guys died.
1 part.
So here, this is for the each value, correct or not, guys?
Which is different.
But
from the number.
is this the same as the previous statement?
No.
Are they the same story? Do
No.
we use units?
No, we use
So this way you cannot use units anymore. You must use what?
parts.
Yes, use parts. Understand? So before I continue, you guys copy everything first into your notes before I proceed. Right, so right now, can you see the word than Sophie, right now? So that means that who is more and who is less?
Winnie is more, Sophie is less.
So if Sophie is less, that means that Sophie will be
1 part.
1 part and Winnie will be 1 part plus 5, yes. So guys, This one, pay attention. This is where a lot of students died. So right now, here, remember I told you it's multiply? And do you remember grouping concept? I taught you who? Who remembers?
Units and parts and converse.
The who?
They're the same. U and P, the master go up.
Yeah. The
Is the wings?
who? Who is this dude? The what? Bob? What? Bob the builder?
Muscle man.
Yes, very good. Muscle man. Wow.
Did she call him that?
Yeah, muscle man.
You were making laundry now, like.
So, what do you notice about this muscle man? His muscles when? What equal? His muscles when? Up. How to spell up?
U. E.
So only UP wins, correct or guys? So let's do with this. 1 unit times 1 part. 1 times 1 is how much? 1. U times P? They're equally important, right? So, it'll be 1 what? UP. Done. Then next.
One up from Mario.
Then next, how do we multiply this? Circle who?
3 units and 1 part.
So 3 times 1 is what? 3 times 1 is 4? Why? Why UP? Yeah, they're equally strong. Then what's the sign next? I must have a sign. Plus, then what do I do?
Circle 3 units.
Yeah, circle 3 units and 5. So 3 times 5 is 15 units because there's units, right? So units must be there. So far so good? Go, copy into your notes first before we proceed. Once you're ready, what goes with red and green? Oh yeah, Christmas. So red, green, and what? I need one more color, huh? Orange. Okay, orange. Once you're ready, take your orange highlighter and orange pen.
Red and purple.
Okay, you all change. Confirm, yeah? You don't want orange, yeah? Yeah. Okay, purple. All right, let's go. Once you're ready, take out your purple pen and purple highlighter so I know you're ready to proceed. All right, so right now, guys, can you see from the before, we have the total value, right? Have we found the total for Sophie? Yes or no?
Yes.
Where? How much? Yes, 830. So what does that mean? It means that this person is?
130.
Yes. From A. Correct now, guys? Enough space. I draw too big. Alright, then what else?
And from me is
Winnie is 27.
Yes, 2790 from A, right? So this whole thing is 2790 from A. Correct now, guys? Go, fill it in. Oh, this one don't write in. This one is highlighter. Highlight the top, but the bottom don't put right in highlighter, okay? Write in purple pen. Okay, so what does that mean, guys? So, guys, which one do you think is smart to work from? Smart to work from 1 UP or smart to work from 3 UP plus 15? So, I have two equations. Look here, guys. I know that 1 UP, the thickness is not there. Doesn't make my handwriting look beautiful. Okay. 1 UP is equal to 830. Agree or not?
Yes.
Then the next one I have is 3 UP plus 15 units is 2790, correct?
Yeah.
So can you see I have 3 UP here? Here's 1 UP. So what do I do with the 1 UP?
You times 3.
Exactly. I times 3 to get 2 UP. And what do I get?
830 also needs to times 3.
830 times 3 is how much?
You'll get 2490.
So I know that 3 UP is 2490, right? So it means that this 3 UP is 2
490.
you can times 50.
Then you move it
plus
to the back.
15 units is equal to 2790. Then you
Then
move
you
this
move it
over,
to the
right?
back. Then the sign will change into minus,
Which is how much?
which will be 300.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah, this one is easy calculation. So 15 units is 300. 1 unit will be 300 divided by 15, which is
20.
20. And what did the question ask for?
How many days will he work?
How many days means what? N-E or T? Number of or who? Sophie. And which is?
1 unit.
Done. Finish.
Amazing.
I know, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, start copying.